This is an Exmark, trusted 2-to-1 by the most respected commercial cutters on the planet. Designed and engineered with more than 35 years of innovation to keep our mowers on the leading edge of cutting. At Exmark, that innovation starts with questioning and challenging ourselves. How do we make the mowers that already lead the industry in performance and durability better? How do we simplify maintenance? How can we improve Exmark's already legendary operator comfort? First, we found ways to eliminate the parts that require the most maintenance and service. Then we developed innovations in operator comfort, leading to our newest innovation, the Staris, Exmark's revolutionary stand-on mower. Our engineers reinvented our stand-on, starting from the ground up. Staris delivers the commercial performance, durability, ergonomics, and ease of service landscape professionals need to maximize productivity and profitability. Exmark's engineers optimize this mower's center of gravity to ensure that the operator, fuel tank, and tower structure are all positioned to enhance weight distribution for improved stability and overall performance. The large open platform comfortably positions operators between the drive tires, making them feel integrated into the machine and providing maximum comfort. And speaking of comfort, Exmark offers a suspended operator platform that virtually floats, separate from the rest of the machine. The vertical suspension reduces vibration to the operator's body, and the rear shocks can be adjusted to the comfort level you like best. Everybody knows more comfort means less fatigue. Then we asked how we could improve Exmark's onboard intelligence, which led to the development of the next generation of our patented RED technology. This technology begins with the easy-to-use console-mounted LCD monitor screen, which offers enhanced monitoring of vital mower functions. Our engineers have also raised the bar on fuel technology with our high-powered Yanmar Laser Z diesels, making quick work of the largest, toughest jobs. The heavy-duty 96-inch diesel was designed with a 48-inch center deck with two 24-inch wing decks. The wing decks are capable of flexing 20 degrees up and 15 degrees down to minimize scalping and maximize productivity on uneven terrain. Best of all, Exmark innovations are not limited to our mowers. Further proof that we're committed to making sure you've got the right machine for the job. Our durable, easy-to-use aerators can help you build an even more profitable business. The 24-inch stand-on model provides the productivity of a stand-on while still offering the superior maneuverability of a smaller walk-behind. At Exmark, we're constantly reimagining and reinventing the future of lawn care. And we know that only comes from the most innovative thinking in the industry. Exmark, engineered by us, trusted by them, ready to work for you. Visit exmark.com to find one of our 1,500 plus servicing dealers near you.